Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to show you how to make Korean barbecue with all the fixings. It's easier than you might think and also less expensive than when you get it at a restaurant. So let's get started. You'll need some meat. We got Kalbi, pork belly, and just for fun we also got Wagyu. I got this grill from a Korean grocery store, but you can also use just a non-stick frying pan. And then you'll need some different utensils for cooking and eating. You'll need some ingredients for the side dishes, also some spices for the sauce. First you're gonna want to start cooking your rice. Every good meal starts with rice. Then scoop out some kimchi into a bowl, and then get some pickled radishes. This is just daikon with vinegar, water, and sugar. Now we're gonna prepare the lettuce. So just wash that really well, and then put it onto a tray. And now we're gonna get a little fancier and make this mung bean salad called namul. So first we're gonna boil some water. Then we're gonna add the bean sprouts. And after about a minute, you're gonna take those out. And then just run them under some cold water. So to top this off, we're gonna chop up some garlic. Put that on top. Then we're gonna add some sesame oil and mix it up. Then you put some sea salt on top and some green onions, and there you go. Oh look, the rice is ready. Just gonna scoop that out into a bowl. You just made KBBQ sides, but we still need some sauce. Let's get some sesame oil. Just pour that into half the dish. And then add some salt on the other side. Then you're gonna put some pepper on top. But whoa, looks like we're missing the meat. So start up your grill. Add some coconut oil or oil of choice. Oh yeah, make sure the fan is on so the smoke alarm doesn't go off. First we're gonna cook this LA style marinated Kalbi. So just put that onto the grill. Once it's cooked for a while, you can flip it over. And then cut it up into pieces. And when it's ready and the bone's all charred, you can go ahead and take it off. Next up is the marinated pork belly. So add some more oil to the grill and then put that on. Flip those over when they look nice and ready. Ooh, check out those bubbles. Then we're gonna cut these up into bite-sized pieces. And then put those on the plate. And finally we have the Wagyu beef. We got this just to try it out. So we're gonna cook this just until it's rare. So take this off, put it on a chopping board, and then enjoy the awesomeness of Wagyu beef. So we finished cooking all our meat and all our sides. So now let's just set the table and enjoy the meal. You can also make a lettuce wrap. Just add some rice, pork belly, kimchi, and some of the sauce. Oh man, but after you finish eating, you gotta clean the grill. So get some vinegar and baking soda. Pour that on. Scrub it in. And just leave that for about an hour. And then when you come back, it should be a whole lot easier to clean off. You can even use a spoon to scrape off some of the burnt parts. And there you have it. Korean barbecue at home. Go off into the world and eat some delicious meat.